Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Wise digital card in store. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So using your Wise digital card in store is actually pretty simple. So you could actually use your Wise digital card via Google Pay. So adding your Wise card into Google Pay is a great way for you to start using it. Now to do this via the Wise app, you just need to open up the Wise app there and navigate to the card tab displaying all the accessible cards. Now choose a sorry card and click on add to Google Pay. Now to do this or to incorporate your Wise card into Google Pay through the Google Wallet, open the Google Wallet and tap add to wallet at the bottom. Now opt for the payment card and then new credit or debit card. Either scan your card or input the details manually and follow the provided steps to verify your card. Now as long as the store has the following symbols included into their payment section or in their store, you should be able to start using Google Pay as a means for you to basically start paying for your products. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.